Toyota Yaris 2008 brake replacement, rotors and pads. So I removed the two bolts holding the caliper. Also removed that part of the caliper. These are 214. The others were 17. 17 and 14 will get you there. Then you got to push this back with this and a wood clamp. Don't forget to open your brake fluid. It's open. It's just floating on top. And you can start assembling back. So you see the hardware, and I put a bit of brake grease, which is temperature resistant. Don't put too much, but a little bit can help those calipers slide. So that's the new rotor. This one's coated. It's just, I think, spray painted with galvanized stuff, but at least it's gonna help little nook and crannies to avoid tons of rust quite quickly here in Canada. So this just goes like this. Then you put your caliper back. It's always a little tricky to install the pads in with the hardware. It's a little tight. I was able without too many tools, but a lot of time you need a small screwdriver to just try to push them in. All right, now we got the pads installed and rotor installed, so we just need to, one hand's gonna be hard. Yeah. Put it back, put the bolts back. Well, there you have it. You got new rotors, new pads. Just make sure you got everything secured, of course. And don't forget, the first brakes are gonna be soft, so just go slow and go slow back up. Don't put any air in the system. And well, thanks for watching, and well, keep your hands dirty.